Hello and good afternoon. I am Amit Bhargat and you are watching Voice of Common Man. Indian government has cancelled class 10th board exams. Day before yesterday, it was like a cliffhanger for class 10 students. Now they are relaxed. Some students are happy, some are not. Some toppers, so-called toppers, are really not happy. They really want to compete. They really want to crack the exams and they want to see their names on the toppers list. I have a very special guest with me, Hriday Chadda. I must say he's in class 11th, but till yesterday he was in class 10th, but today he's in class 11th. Hriday, how are you? And welcome to my show.
Hello, sir. Thank you for welcoming me on the show. First of all, I just want to say that I am actually really happy or really, you can say, sad because the board exams got cancelled. And just that's all I can say for now.
What's your feeling? I'm coming to the point. I'm coming to that point. What's your feeling? Are you happy with the government decision?
Sir, actually, the I have a mixed feeling actually because the thing is that till yesterday we were all studying, like we were all pushing us off for the boards and just studying day and night. And like tomorrow, yesterday morning, we got the news that uh, the boards have been cancelled. The first feeling was that now the burden is over. But then the second over was the second, you can say the second feeling was that ki, now I'll not be able to make my parents proud because I didn't really score that well in the pre-boards.
All right, all right. So, how was your preparation till yesterday? What are the studying hours, and how was your pressure from the parents, from the society, from the school to get the good marks?
See, actually, I'll tell you this one thing that my parents don't really believe in pressuring their child. Like, I know they are like, you have to study, but the thing is, you have to get only respectable marks. Not you don't need to be any kind of that person who is a topper, 90% student. No, only and just score respectable marks. That's it. But like, there is also always a burden of school or society that okay, now I have to score well because that guy or that person has scored well, and he's my relative or she is my relative. So that kind
Uh,
of pressure is always there. But still, it was not that harsh pressure from anyone. And yeah, like the studying hours were literally like, I just don't remember the studying hours, but the thing was like, I will just wake up in the morning and then I'll just start studying, then I'll eat and then I'll sleep. That was the routine.
all right. After the government decision to cancel the board exams, what was the first thing you did?
The first thing I did is shared the screenshot of the news with all my friends. Guys, the board has been cancelled, and everyone was like, "Wait, what? What the hell is going on here?" And then everyone just checked with BBC and like CNN and all, and the news was true. So, and then the CBSE form, the CBSE actually circulated a signed form, so we all got that, and we were all shocked. Till yesterday we were just pushing all of we all were just pushing the key
Hmm.
एक महीने में boards है we have to study, and
Uh,
now we have that
so
the
now,
boards have been cancelled.
today, what are you doing? Matlab, you are in which stage? You are watching movies, playing something, or meeting with friends?
Well, definitely I've been playing. Like in the morning I went for cricket and all, but the thing is still it's not clear if we are in 11th or not, because there is a news that there is a objective paper or objective, you can say, uh, perception they are making, the school and the government, that they are going to have objective paper like of MCQs or Viva or anything like that. So right now we just know that our boards are cancelled, but we don't know if we are in 11th or not.
All right, all. And there are so many videos going viral in which backbenchers are teasing toppers. So
Yeah.
what's your take on that videos?
You see, I definitely feel bad for the toppers because they actually do like they do a lot of hard work instead of. See, I'm also kind of backbencher category, so don't quote me on that. But the thing is, see, I am not that type of person that will not study at all. I study, but the thing is, I really feel bad for the toppers because they always wanted to score near 90%, 98%, more than 99%. nearly this. But like now we all are at the same stage, you can say, because they are taking marks from the you can say internal assessment, and everyone has same marks in internal assessment. So
It's
no
like
problem.
it's like all depend on internal assessment. So how is your
How
bonding with the teachers? Sometimes it depends on the bonding with the teachers.
pardon, sir?
It's all about now. It's all about the internal assessment. Your marks will
Yes,
depend on
yes,
your internal assessment and all. So it sometimes
yes,
it's like a bonding with the teachers. If you have a good bonding with the teachers, then they'll give you a good marks.
yes, yes, sure. Yes. See, the thing is, ki, till ninth, all of us had a really good bonding with our teachers, and trust me, our teachers are very open about everything. But now in 10th, 11th, 12th, they are pretty harsh on us. Like, not harsh, you can say, but the thing is, ki, now like, everyone gives more importance to study nowadays than extracurricular activities. So, yeah, that's the same thing that is in our school, that the teachers push us for studying, not any extracurricular activity, but the bonding with our teachers are really nice because they are cool. Technically, you can say that they are cool.
So you will get a good marks. Eh?
I guess, but like it doesn't even depend on marks right now. It's just you can opt for any stream you want right now. That's the only case. Like even if you are a backbencher or you are a low scorer, you can opt for PCMB or PCM.
All right. Are
That's
your parents are relaxed now? Are your parents are relaxed now because now studying
yeah.
is like it's not about matlab you are working hard. It's your parents are working hard. They're all the money are involved in your studying online classes, and it's like a combined effort. So your
Yeah.
dad, your mom is bit relaxed.
Well, yeah, I can definitely say that they are relaxed, because it's not me only. On their on like you can say on their head also there was a, you can say, a sword hanging, that what will be the score in the board exam? Will I got a good percentage or not? But like now
Hmm.
everyone is relaxed, and also the first statement of my father when he heard this thing was, why they got us wasted nearly 1 lakh rupees for a year. They can just have been like, they could have just passed us without any taking exams अगर उन्होंने last में cancel ही करने थे. That was the thing.
All right, all right. Scores are very important, Hriday. These days, scores everybody is talking about. Hello, Hriday, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Scores are scores are really very important these days. Like many students who want to see their names on the toppers list, and their parents really want to see their names on the school hoardings and all. But I'm sorry, this will not happen this year. So, what's your take on this?
Yes. What's my take on this is that the students who really worked hard for their percentage, like I have few friends who really pushed themselves for their good percentage, like they did good in pre-boards, did good in internal assessments, did good in online papers and all. So I really feel bad for them, because like technically we all want our parents to be proud, like to feel proud, but now everyone is on the same stage, so that's a really bad thing for the hard workers, that they'll not get the same, you can say, marks, or the same respect, or the same, you can say, um, like the thing is that anyone can get any stream right now, so technically, yeah, I really feel bad for them, but like technically, I'm also happy because I'll be proposed to 11. So yeah.
All right. So, Hriday, what's your plan? Which stream you want to take?
I am taking commerce without maths, sir.
You are taking
Hello.
commerce with mathematics.
Without maths, sir. Without mathematics.
All right, all right. Okay. So, well, this is my last question. And what you really want to become in life? What's your dreams and all?
Sir, I actually wanted to go in, you can say, defense services, like government employee defense services, and I am also interested in all the hospitality industry. So that I'll pursue that as my career. So that's the whole point of my
And why?
life right now.
All right. And why you are choosing this commerce stream? Like everybody is fond of engineering and medical and defense.
See, the defense services can, I know that defense services can also be taken place from the humanities, but I'm not interested in humanities because, like, technically there are SST, social studies subjects in that, and I cannot study social study that well. And also, commerce is actually my, you can say, there's a slang, if you know, the commerce is my thing, like the accounts, legal studies. I'm interested in those subjects, so that I can study that. And also, the thing is that
Why
I'll
not
also
science?
get, well, science, because I'm also interested in science, but the thing is, my score isn't that well in science. So that's why from past few years, I'm not scoring that well in science and maths. So that's the whole point of me taking commerce without maths.
All right, all right. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Hriday Chadha, thank you so much for being with us.
Welcome.
Good luck for the future.
Thank you. And thank you for having me, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. That's all for the day. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.